morning everyone. How are you all? So today we are going to continue with the same lesson. That is our exercise on page number 20. And today's topic is these or that. Okay. So I hope you all have completed your exercise of page number 20 that we have already completed in our previous class. That is use of and or but. Okay. So today we are going to do the question number B. Fill in the blanks with this or that. So before that, I will explain the rules of this and that. You have already studied in previous class with Varsha ma'am. So this will be a revision for you. So once again I am going to tell you because now we are going to write this in our classwork copy. Okay. So the topic is this or that, right? So the first important thing that you have to notice in this question is in this topic is this and that. Both are used for singular sentences, right? Singular nouns that whenever the sentence is talking about the singular word, we will use this or that. Okay. So if we are talking about one person, one place, one thing, then we will use this or that. But there is one small difference between these two words, that this is used for close one and that is used for far things, person, place. Okay. So whenever we are talking about a singular noun that is close to us, nearby, we will use this, and when we are talking about a thing or place that is far away, we will use that. Is that clear everyone? Yes. Now we'll move on to the exercise. Question number B. Fill in the blanks with this or that. Okay. So the first one is blanks is a bag, right? और आप देख सकते हो the bag is very close to the person, right? And the person is talking about a bag. And the bag is singular here and it is also close to the person. So we'll write this. What? This, right? Now the second one, blanks is a pen. Okay. Again, the pen is close to the person. Also, it is singular, right? So, for singular and the close ones, we use this. Is that clear? Now, the third one, blanks is a car, right? Blanks is a car. And in the image, the car is far from the person. Also, it is singular. Only one car is there, right? If there is, if there was many cars, then we will use those for that, na? So, this car is only one, so it is singular and also far from the person. So, we'll use that. That is a car. Fourth one, blanks is a bus, right? Similarly, we will use that here as the bus is also far from the person and is singular. Yes? So, we'll use that here. Is that clear everyone? Now we'll see some more examples out of your textbook, right? So some more question that I'm going to write here. अब जो मैम क्वेश्चंस लिखवाएंगी वो आपके बुक में नहीं है. ओके, सो यूज दिस और that. Okay, so blanks is a flower. Okay, next, blanks is a teddy. Okay, the next one is a bottle. Okay, next, blanks is a book. Okay, so next one, blanks is a pen. Okay, I have written 5 examples, some more questions here. Now we'll see what will come in the blanks, this or that. Okay, so the first one is blanks is a flower. Okay, अब हम देखेंगे कि flower हमारे पास है कि नहीं. First thing that we are going to see is whether the thing is close or far. Yes, it is near, है ना? Then we'll see whether it is singular or plural. Yes, it is singular. So we'll write this here, है ना? Because it is close and also singular. Now the second one, dash is a teddy. Where is your teddy? Teddy is far from the far from ma'am. Ma'am is talking about the teddy, no? And teddy is very far, right? So it is singular and it is far. So we'll write that here. Next, blanks is a bottle. Blanks is a bottle. And the bottle is near, also singular. So we'll write this here. है ना, बॉटल पास भी है और सिंगुलर भी है, तो मैम ने यहाँ दिस लिखा, है ना. टेडी दूर है और सिंगुलर है, मैम ने दैट लिखा, राइट. नेक्स्ट, डैश इज अ बुक, है ना. बुक कहाँ है? बुक इज फार, बुक दूर है. सो विल राइट दैट. डैश इज अ पेन, पेन कहाँ है? पास में. सो विल राइट दिस. सो इससे आपको क्या पता चला? जब कोई चीज दूर हो उसके बारे में बात करते विल यूज दैट, और जब पास हो तो विल यूज दिस, बट इट शुड बी इन सिंगुलर फॉर्म, राइट. अगर सिंगुलर हो तो, अगर प्लूरल होगा तो दीज और दोज यूज करते हैं हम, राइट. सो फॉर सिंगुलर्स एंड क्लोज वंस वी यूज दिस, and singular and far ones we use that. Is that clear? Yes. So this is it for today. This question, this extra questions and also the exercise questions you have to write in your classwork copy. Complete the work today itself and learn this today itself. Okay? Till that, keep learning, complete your copy, write in proper good handwriting. Okay? Good day everyone.